Welcome to this ID, where we're focusing on reducing plastic waste. Today, we're sharing how to teach your family to use less plastic. Let's see how simple swaps make a big difference. Instead of plastic wrap, use beeswax food wraps. These are made of cotton. Skip the plastic. You can use the mesh produce bags for fruits and veggies and the canvas totes for everything else. That way you'll always have what you need to shop green. This will reduce the amount of plastic we use and help keep our planet healthy. It's amazing how much plastic we can avoid if we just make a few simple changes. Celebrating our successes will keep us motivated and inspired to continue making changes in our lives. As a family, we've challenged ourselves to track the amount of plastic we avoid each week. Did you know that every year millions of tons of plastic end up in our oceans and landfills? We've swapped out our plastic water bottles for reusable ones. But before we do, let's talk about what we've learned today. We've discovered that small changes can make a big difference when it comes to reducing plastic waste. We've swapped out single-use plastics for reusable ones, ditching plastic bags and bottles for good. We've also made changes in the bathroom, like switching to bamboo toothbrushes and ditching plastic razors. And we haven't bought any new clothes made from plastic fibers like polyester in ages. Instead, we've found great deals at thrift stores and invested in quality pieces that we know will last. We even got creative and learned to repair our own clothes. It's been a fun challenge and we're so glad we made the switch. And you won't believe how much money we've saved. We hope you've enjoyed learning how to teach your family to use less plastic. Remember, small changes add up to big impacts. Share your plastic-free journey with us. And don't forget to join the movement. Together, we can make a difference. See you next time. Plus, we feel great knowing that we're not contributing to plastic pollution. But we didn't stop there. We've also switched to reusable grocery bags, ditching plastic bags for good. We even got fancy reusable containers for leftovers so we don't have to use plastic wrap anymore. It's been a game changer. We've also made changes in the bathroom, like switching to bamboo toothbrushes and ditching plastic razors. And guess what? Our skin is loving it. Oh, and we haven't bought any new clothes made from plastic fibers like polyester in ages. Instead, we've found great deals at thrift stores and invested in quality pieces that we know will last. We even got creative and learned to repair our own clothes. Who knew it could be so easy to reduce plastic consumption? It's been a fun challenge and we're so glad we made the switch. It's time to take action and reduce the amount of plastic we use. The good news is that we don't have to make drastic changes to make a difference. By making a few simple swaps, we can make a big impact. First, we can swap out our single-use plastics for reusable alternatives. This means saying no to plastic bags and bottles and yes to reusable ones. We can also swap out our disposable clothes for high-quality, durable pieces that will last longer. It might seem like a small change, but it can make a big difference. By making these changes, we'll not only reduce the amount of plastic waste we produce, but we'll also be saving money and living more sustainably. So let's start making smart choices today and create a better future for our planet. We check off our progress on this chart on our fridge. Whenever we fill up the row, we get to put a sticker on it. It's so much fun to see our progress and celebrate our wins together. It's amazing to think that just 1 year ago we weren't doing any of this. Now we're saving the earth and having fun at the same time. We can make a big difference for the earth. It's important to remember that every little bit counts. It is so much more fun to make changes when you have the support and encouragement of your loved ones. Plus, it's a great way to teach kids about the importance of environmental stewardship from an early age. When we all work together, we can accomplish so much more than we ever could have imagined. So let's keep up the good work, my friends, and see how much plastic we can avoid this week. Even small changes like switching to reusable bags and bottles can have a big impact if we all do it together. Not only do these bags look cool, but we also know we're helping the environment by not using plastic. And beeswax and can be used over and over again. They're also great for covering a bowl. Instead of plastic baggies, try reusable silicone pouches. They're easy to clean and last for years. Switch to bar soap, bamboo toothbrushes, and refillable shampoo bottles. Bar soap is a great alternative to plastic bottled soap because it doesn't require any packaging. Bamboo toothbrushes are a sustainable and plastic-free option for brushing your teeth. Refillable shampoo bottles eliminate the need for single-use plastic bottles. When you buy shampoo, you can even make your own cleaning sprays and solutions using ingredients like vinegar and essential oils. These are not only plastic-free, but they're also non-toxic and more cost-effective than store-bought options. Instead of disposable paper towels, use cloth napkins. They're more absorbent and better for the earth. And finally, instead of plastic straws, use stainless steel ones. They may seem fancy, but they're super easy to clean. Just rinse them with water. If you have a dishwasher, pop them in there. These simple swaps will help cut down on plastic waste and save money. Talk about a win-win. Every year, millions of tons of plastic end up in our oceans and landfills. Together, we can change that starting at home. Let's explore some simple ways to get started. First step, swap single-use plastics in the kitchen. We swapped out all of the single-use plastics in our kitchen. It feels so good to know that we're doing something for the earth. Now let's go to the store and see what we can find. You don't want to miss this. Make it fun. Let kids decorate labels for reusable bottles and containers. They'll love showing them off. How cool is that? It's so much fun to make these unique designs. My favorite part is sticking them onto my water bottle and showing it off to everyone. When grocery shopping, bring your own cloth, produce bags and totes. Let's see what else we can do to help. Now it's time to tackle the bathroom. There are plenty of ways to ditch plastic in this space too. Don't forget the bathroom. I love seeing all of the different ways we can reduce plastic in our everyday lives. Turn it into a family challenge. Track how much plastic you avoid each week and celebrate wins together. My favorite thing about participating in this challenge with my family is that we get to work together to achieve a common goal. Hey, did you know that one of the biggest plastic polluters is the fashion industry? My family has been working hard to reduce our plastic footprint, and it's been a fun challenge. It's time to turn off those lights and get ready for bed. That's a wrap on our idea adventure.